Well, we've reached a very scary part of the project. We've searched all over the place and can't find any more parts, so we think we might be finished. Interesting experience. The bike looks good. We have the side panels on both sides. We finished the front wheel, front brake, new bearings, brake shoes, brake springs. That's all done, working beautifully on the bench. The back wheel's done. Bike is complete, and we're gonna start it here in the on the lift because we have it clamped nicely. We'll turn it around and start it in the lift because we get a better kick. It's still a so-and-so to kick over, even though we've learned the secret technique. But it looks good. I'll get a little closer, show you. We all the mounts for these side covers were gone, so um, we stole an idea from the late model Triumphs and put a spring holding the front of the side covers together. Nice rubber grommet and spring, holding them together in the front. And right here, I used a nylon tie strap, of which I got to get in there and cut off the excess. And this side's nice and solid. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere, that's for sure. But quite adequate for a race bike. Over here, uh, nye tie up here, a nye tie down there, and the cross spring holding it in place, and it's not going anywhere either. We're going to start the bike and take it outside, do a quick ride up and down the street. That's about as far as we're going, just to make sure that uh, all the gears work and brakes work reasonably well, and see how it goes. So this is interesting. We've reached the point where we ran out of parts and run out of ideas, so I think we're done. Let's see how it goes. I'll let you know after the test ride. There it is, idling away. And seriously, it took one kick to start the bike. One kick. All right, Kevin's going to take it outside now and do a test ride. There goes Kevin walking it out. He just kicked it into gear. It's under power. And it hasn't blown up yet. And here he comes. Coming back. Under power. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Did he stall it? He's pushing it. He stalled it. Oh well. He gets to push it back. It'll teach him. All right. Well, I still think it was a success and not something really bad. And here he comes walking it back. Nothing is more embarrassing. Here he comes. We'll do a start just to make sure. All right, we're back in the shop, and Kevin's going to do a little mea culpa about blowing his big opportunity on national television and stalling the bike. Would you like to say a word to the world?
Oh, absolutely. This is a great bike. I was having so much fun on it. I started showing off and playing too much. But these old bikes, you got to remember to blip it a little bit. They're not like the modern fuel injected bikes. And it was my own fault going down there. I was having too much fun. I downshifted, didn't blip it. Down she was. And it's 90 some degrees out there, so it was easier to push it home than to sit down there and try to
Try to
kickstart it
kick
again.
it. Yeah. Okay, so the drill on this bike, we've been told, and it works, is we find top dead center with the Kickstarter, gas on tickle, okay, All right. Find top dead center with the Kickstarter. Go about 2 inches past it, all the way up. Now lift it all the way up. That might be a little far. Let's see what happens.
We'll see.
Okay.
Ignition's on.
Ignition on. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's a one kicky. Okay. Well, doggone. It's a warm bike now.
Yeah.
Whoops, nope. Okay, well that took a few more kicks than we planned on, but it started. It's all technique and we really haven't learned it. Anyway. That is raw power. That is just raw, visceral power. All right, I think we're done. We're going to call the client and say he can have his bike. Way to go. And the fun just never stops.